Now we are going to discuss about research methodology. What is research methodology? How we can do research? Which kind of their methods by using we can do research. After that we shall discuss their purpose, types, technique based types. After that, like non-invasive, invasive method, then methods in flowchart. In first step that we should discuss about research methodology. What is research methodology? In research methodology, there is means derived from re means again and search means to find. Means anything that you find again and again by doing research. This is a research terminology. After that, methodology. In methodology, it comes from strategies, means steps that you take for doing research. Which kind of strategies that you use for doing research. After that, the research is done on base of knowledge. Knowledge you can gain from magazines, literature, novels, articles, and books. What is the purpose of research methodology? The purpose of research methodology is to decrease disease, means the disease are increasing day by day by affecting there are number of factors that affect that cause the disease. Second purpose is to lifespan enhance, means the life period is to enhancing is to increasing. Now we should discuss about their types. There are two types, wet lab and dry lab. Wet lab, which kind of lab that we say this is a wet lab. In wet lab, there is number of procedures are done like in this machine is used, chemicals are used, then models are used. In dry lab that you will use databases of software like NCBI and number of PubMed and number of other also software and websites are available from we gain data. For example, for data of genes, for data collection of proteins. On the base technique basis types. For research doing there are following techniques that are used like non-invasive method and invasive method. What is non-invasive method and invasive method? In non-invasive method, it is simple based on length, weight, morphometry. Basically, it is based on external observation, not internal. It is decreases with the passage of time. If we discuss about invasive method, this is a complex in which should discuss anatomy, histology, tissue sectioning. These types of methods increasing with the passage of time day by day. Now we discuss methods that we used in research methodology. In first step, we should discuss about histology. Histology is the study of tissues. In histology, we get tissues from suffering from the abnormal parts of the organ. Tissue we sect the tissues then for knowing the structural and physical appearance. But for the functioning of the enzymes, then we do utilize biochemistry. This is the second step. The second step is used for spectrophotometer or HPLC is used. And number of mechanisms are used like no like this is known as omics. In the number of mechanisms are used like proteomics and genomics. In proteomics, like we defend stages, we study different stages like stages of proteins like primary, secondary basis, tertiary, and then maybe on the basis of quaternary structures. On the other basis like genomic means genes, it is combination of genes, the combination that make DNA or RNA. RNA basically are a sequence or compositions of genes. By analyzing, by comparing, we know genome, we know the structure of the genes. Then after that, the metabolism. It is known as metabolomics, like in this mechanism known as anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism when simple molecules combine to each other make a complex molecules. In the catabolism, complex molecules break down to form simple molecules. So this was the concept about research methodology. Next lecture will be next time. Okay, Allah Hafiz.